Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is 12 squared. We have to find 12 squared here. So 12 squared means we need to multiply this 12 two times. So 12 into 12. Now multiply this. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Add 0 to the units place. 1, any number multiply with 1 is that number itself. So it will be 12 again. Add these two values. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And this 1 as it is. So 12 squared is 144. Hence 12 squared is 144. That is, our answer is 144. From available options, we have option C as 144.